Today we are identifying words. Say hi.
Hi. It's
So,
me. It's me, Zach, and I go on my school, and I go to school Sunday, and I'm a city boy, and I am my mom's room, and I left these cards. And you want to show me my next cards? Look it.
all right.
And that's my next cards we did. And
Okay, so you're going to repeat after me. This is how we're going to do it.
yep.
Okay, so we got... Come over here so you can see it better.
I thought night crap.
No, not now. Later. You got raccoon.
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 Raccoon. Yes.
We got
yes. Go.
Listen, Zach. Listen, Zach.
Okay.
You got dog. Dog.
My turn.
You say it.
Dog.
No.
The
Dog.
dog.
All right.
My turn.
We got chur.
My turn.
Say chur.
Turn.
Ain.
Mama, I want to do it.
Train. No, you have to listen first. And then you could do it. Come over here. Then we have
Car.
City. Say city.
City.
We have air. Plane. Airplane. We have flowers. Flowers. So we have raccoon. Dog. Train. City. Airplane. Flowers. Okay, now you set them up.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Now you do it. Raccoon. Dog. Train.
Rocks.
City. Airplane. Got flowers. Good job. Great job, Zach. You did a good job. All right.